Did you go out for Halloween last night?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
Yeah. Yeah.
Were you scared?
Uh-huh.
What'd you do when you got scared?
Yeah. Yeah.
What'd you do when you got scared?
Yeah.
So you did?
Yeah.
What'd you say?
Yeah.
What'd you say when you see something scary?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why are you staring at the wall?
Yeah.
Did you get candy?
Yeah.
What'd you do with the candy?
No more Annie.
No more candy? What'd you do with
Yeah.
it? What?
In my hair.
What'd you do with the candy?
I don't know.
Did you eat it?
Yeah.
Show me what you did.
Yeah.
And then what'd you do when you seen a scary house?
Yeah.
What'd you do when you seen a
Yuck.
scary house?
Yuck.
That's what you did?
Yuck. Uh-huh.
Wow. Was it fun?
Let's see it.
You want to see it?
Yeah.
Say, I love you.
I love you.
Say bye-bye.